I want to work a little bit, so I'm working there part-time.
Well, coincidentally, my son is a licensed electrical contractor.
Okay.
Although he works as a project manager with Cleveland Electric.
I know Cleveland Electric.
All right then.
Used them before.
Very good. Say good things here. Shane, this guy's worked with Cleveland Electric before. Can you believe that?
Oh, his poor soul.
No, no.
How are you? I'm Shane.
How you doing, Shane?
Good.
What group were?
Whoa! Go! Go!
I used them. They did all my testing.
Let me know if I can help. Mrs. Murphy is up at the bouncy house. I can carry. Oh my goodness.
We forgot her stroller like goofballs.
That's okay. I can carry her. Hello. Hello, Mr. Kangaroo.
They're like 120 pounds. These was a max on about 30 pounds.
I said, if you're sleeping,
Nice. Warming up by the fire here.
Oh yeah. Too hot.
Did you want a snow cone?
Follow me with my popcorn. They were just following me around and you could touch it. Over there, that's what Nani wanted to do.
There we go. We gotta protect that little bunny. Oh, careful. You can pet him, but
You don't get in.
you wanna hold one?
You can't hold them, you can pet them.
Oh, look at that cute bunny.
He's over there laying down, Holly.
Oh, he is?
Yeah. Say hello. Say hello, Megan.
Hello.
Look at the cute. Hi, cute.
GoPro, stop.
Oh my gosh, that little porcupine and a little hedgehog.
Oh yeah, and they've got an armadillo.
Oh my god.
First thing in my
All right, Holly, here's Terry Brown over here. Got a traffic jam. Woo!
You got that separately.
All right, you can go.
Oliver, can you say hi? Can you say hi? This is Miss Terry.
And whoa!
Here we go, guys. You gotta get quiet on us right now.
What's that video for?
Brad's having fun out here. Are you guys having fun?
For my YouTube channel.
What is it?
Oh, Brad just took out the yellow
Whoa!
What's your YouTube channel?
I do that? Changing out the trash bag. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Pastor. So the air conditioning was messed up?
I'm gonna give it some permanent air conditioning. Here's what I mean by that. I'm not sure what you mean by that. I'm intrigued. I'm ready to see this. Are you guys ready to see this or what? Air conditioning's in the front of the motor, right? You ready? You ready? You ready? Here we go! Oh!
Uh-oh.
It's gonna be stubborn. It's gonna be stubborn. Hit it harder.
Okay, thank you.
Here we go!
Oh, no! That's a surprise.
Let's try it again. Sometimes they're made out of steel. Really? I don't think it's that. I think it's just inside that little...
In the blow-ups. They are on the trailer. You can get them at the next event, okay? Wow. Okay. But if you are missing anything, so far the only thing I have lost and found are these 2 pairs of sunglasses.
Say hello.
That's a nifty little contraption you got there.
Yes. Allows me to capture one.
He is just getting warmed up right now. He's getting ready. Please, just a quick reminder, keep all hands and feet behind the yellow lines unless you want to lose them. We don't need them here today. Oh, just like that, he's showing you. Make sure you keep those feet back. He has the biggest smile on his face right now, and he is pumped right now. But guys, like I said, make some noise as he comes by doing that stoppie. Brad Bennett is pumped. He is psyched, and he is ready to show you guys what he has in store for you. So let's see what the first stunt he has right now. All right, he's sitting down. He's taking that motorcycle all the way to 12 o'clock with that bunny hop. That's what I'm talking about. He's shifting up right now. Going back to the other side with that stoppie. Almost going way over the bars, but he's a trained professional and he has a helmet on. Don't worry, he'll be safe. But all right, he is not done yet. He's gonna get some speed. He's coming back fast. Oh, that's what we call it, nose 180. Going on that front wheel, stopping and going full 180. And he is not done yet, like I said, he is just getting warmed up. Here we go, show you that stopping again. Getting that 180 like he wants it.
How can I forget the queen or the princess? There we go. There's oh, here, whoa.
Guys, get behind Brad right now. This route is just way too grippy right now. It's hard to get that back wheel burning.
Burning.